Toyota Tacoma touchscreen replacement.
5 screws, 1 in each corner and 1 offset.
Those damn CDs. And you got 4 clips. Be very careful when you remove these.
Lift tab, pull out gently.
This one's an apps version. They're all the same. The navigation and basic sound, they're all the same. The navigation will have a SD card right here, which would be an extra screw. Oh yeah, remove the knobs.
4 screws, 5 screws.
No, you were right. Follow. All this just to get to this screw. Lovely job, Panasonic.
4 screws again.
See, that's why I like working on the bigger radios, because you don't have to remove this just to get to one screw.
Then 1 in each corner, 4 screws again. And then 4 screws on top. Make sure all clips are disconnected. Dispose of old screen.
This one was cracked, so now it's scratched the monitor. Sometimes it comes off, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, that's good enough. I have one.
Remove the plastic. Do not touch the glass lens. Will leave fingerprints.
Need that one. Make sure you put it in with this part, shiny part up. Or no, wait, my bad. No, I had it right.
Yeah, you had it right.
Yeah, I had it right.
Shiny part up. We should fall into place and sit.
You really can't see it, but I'll bring it up close. It has these little grooves that it like sits in. I don't know how good you can see it, but that's where it sits. Yeah. I like it better with the tape. You don't have to use double-sided tape, but I think it's better because the monitor doesn't like sometimes it like wobbles back and forth.
You apply double-sided tape near the edge.
But make sure you leave the touchscreen in first. If you don't, if it's not in those grooves, it will break. And those grooves, they don't give you too much
Play.
Yeah, play. I've been doing this for quite some time, and yesterday we broke 2 of them because we just got these new touchscreens in, and they're a little bit thicker. Always make sure you don't have screws underneath. Bam, bam.
Four screws back into place, one in each corner. Do not over tighten as to will crack the screen.
You use a hand screwdriver. I use a drill because I've been doing this forever. But I still crack them. Perfect. Now I gotta put these things back on. Sometimes they'll come out. And sometimes they'll stay stuck to this.
Place the boards back into place. 4 screws in each one.
Oops. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about this. Touchscreen back in. Make sure brown side is up.
Shiny side down.
And make sure it's straight. Not in straight. If it's just a teeny little bit off, she ain't going to work. Oh. And don't forget about this little plug. What are you eating, man?
Huh?
What are you eating?
Chicharrones.
Chicharrones? What the hell is a chicharrones?
Pig skin.
Dude, that's disgusting, man. We need to go get some real food.
Seasoned pigskin.
Alright, so after this, we're gonna go get some food. I'm starving, he's starving. It's pretty easy. But just take your time, guys. Always want to take your time. Don't rush it. If you rush it, you will break stuff. And then you'll be calling me to fix it. We're a small car stereo mobile shop. Open since 1979. We repair radios.
Aftermarket installations.
Hello! Would you like to be in the video? Okay, it's recording. We're on live. Ooh. See, that's not paying attention. Where'd that one thing go?
Clip.
So that clip went. Oh, here it is. It's right behind the bottle. I'm like, where'd that clip go?
Make sure this clip is in place before you put the final screw in.
And it's not in like straight. You can mess things up. I had this one guy named Bob from Texas. You remember me, Bob? Sold him a screen. Well, he put it in sideways. He put this huge screw in. What happened was when he put the huge screw in, he bent the board and broke the board. That happens. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So, of course, the black one's always easy, but the white one, Panasonic, decided she just wants to mess around and fuck with me. So you just gotta be careful when you put the white one in. There we go. She was nice to me right now. Now let's test her up and see what happens. Aha, there she goes.
Complete.